Hello friends, welcome to Let's Crack UPSC CSE English. This is me, Dr. Sidharth Arora. And friends, today I'm announcing a launch of a very important course, a brand new course for all of you. See, all those students, all the aspirants who are on this channel are those aspirant friends of ours who are interested in understanding all the subjects, all the knowledge that we are imparting in only English language. So this video is catering to the needs of only those aspirant friends of ours who are not comfortable in understanding Hindi language. This is only for those aspirants who are comfortable in only understanding English language. One thing that I have noticed, and while I was making the summary courses of Lakshmikant also, which was also incidentally made only for you, only for those friends of ours who are comfortable in English language, I realized that there is something more that is required. What is required? Something that I always keep on repeating in my videos was an important fact that in polity, for that matter in any subject for which UPSC will test you for your civil service examination, you don't get marks for facts. You get marks only for connection of facts. So I thought about it. Why not make a course? Why not make a video series which will be one-stop solution for entire polity? What does one-stop solution over here entail? Here I will look after entire structure of polity for the sake of all of your perfect preparation for civil service examination. Now, what have I noticed during the long number of years that I have taught for IAS aspirants? I have seen one thing. Most people, most of the aspirants, especially when they are not taking structured kind of coaching or they are doing self-study, they study something from one book, they read some other study material, they take one test series, they read something in the newspaper, they read something in the magazine, but there is no coherence. There is no connection, and that is why unfortunately they fail in this exam. So here for you, this is a 75 hours one-stop solution to Indian polity. Now when I say one-step solution, it is new and updated. You must have also seen a Lakshmikant summary, a number of series, number of questions with relationship to Lakshmikant series, then polity current affairs, then MCQs. Now everything in polity also requires updation. So we are having updated and brand new videos. We will look after the current affairs also and anything else that comes to our notice which we think will be relevant for your preparation. So if you go to YouTube, then you will see many such courses also happening. For example, the summary course of Lakshmikant for polity. You must have noticed this. First of all, for my friends on this channel, this is one of those problematic video series. Why? Because you found that this video was useful, but it was bilingual. One is this problem. The second problem is, look at the date. The date mentioned over here is 2019. So I made this videos in 2019. Since then, many things have come up which must be understood, which must be included in your preparation towards civil service examination. So in this new course, we will include something new also. Whatever comes, it could be a parliamentary law, it could be a political decision, it could be a constitutional amendment, it could be a Supreme Court judgment. We will include everything and anything which is relevant. We will also look at the 6th edition of Lakshmikant. When I was making this video series, the earlier one, at that time, the 6th edition had not come out. It had come out somewhere in the middle of that series. But now, since we have a new series and we know that Lakshmikant is the staple book for which everybody has to read, we will include anything that has been added to this new edition also. So this new series will also include the updated Lakshmikant and any topic which has been included in this one. Any new judgment by the Honorable Supreme Court, anything that has been decided as constitutional or non-constitutional, any discussions which are happening, it could be Aadhaar judgments and it could be latest of the judgments, with no problems. We will include everything in this part. and obviously the current affairs. Since we have always realized, and I've always told you, the 50 to 60% of the exam somehow directly or indirectly is coming from current affairs. So why not? Let us include that part also. All of this will be in 150 lectures, 150 videos I will make throughout this course. Each of this lecture will be 30 minutes, approximately 30 minutes. So do the simple mathematics of this. This will be 75 hours. My plan here is that in the ballpark figure of 75 hours, I will do the entire polity with regards to the entire 360 degrees view. So we will look at updated parts, we will look at current affairs, we will include Supreme Court judgments. You will be absolutely rewarded because of all these things coming in one series itself. Now, you have to also appreciate that the videos that we make on our YouTube will be, because of the constraints of time, will be limited. If, however, you want to do in-depth preparation, strategically absolute accurate preparation, then we have also launched dynamic batches. Please do not waste a single more moment. You can watch these YouTube videos and study at the Unacademy subscriptions parallelly, and that will give you a kind of advantage which is unparalleled. So this is my course, okay? This is the course, comprehensive course of polity for UPSC CSE 2021. We've launched it on May 11th, so you'll not miss much of it. Those videos which you missed, you can always watch the recorded sessions and you can ask me the doubts. But it is a long way to go. Make sure that you don't waste any more time. You can easily join this at a very economical price, since Unacademy has reduced the prices drastically. So those are my friends who are appearing in 2020 or 2021. You can please choose a 1-year course which is available for 40,000 rupees. In this, use my code SIDLIVE and you will get an immediate 10% discount. This 1-year course will be available to you at merely 36,000 rupees. Those are my friends who are taking this exam in 2021 or that 22 or even 23. Doesn't matter. You are very, very lucky, since you have more than 2 years to prepare for this exam. Again, use the code SIDLIVE. Use my code SIDLIVE. You will get an immediate 10% discount, and a 48,000 course will be available to you at 43,200. Do some simple mathematics, crunch some numbers. Your 1-year course will be available to you at 36,000. A 2-year course is available to you at 43,200. A mere difference of 7,200. You are a wise gang of students. Take a wise decision, but take it now. There is no point waiting. There is no point wasting this time, and make sure that you do a rock solid preparation for your examination. So my friends, welcome to a brand new course, the 75 hours one-stop solution for polity. In the words of Unacademy, let's crack it. Until next time, God bless and thank you.